Goldshell HS-Box. Enter https://find.goldshell.com to enter the IP interface. The IP of the machine will be displayed here. Enter the IP of the corresponding machine. Enter the unlocked interface. Click here to enter the unlocked interface. Enter password to unlock. Here is the running state of the machine. The running state of the machine is here. Information about this machine is here. The graph of computing power is also here. Here you can set the parameters of the mining pool. Adjust the machine operating mode. Algorithms for tuning machines. Wi-Fi is available here. Change password is here. Update firmware is here. Machine restart.